Welcome back to RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer. Today we're going to talk about the Avatar Z008 4-channel RC helicopter. Now I picked this up off eBay for about $40. It is a fully functional 4-channel helicopter. You've got your up, down, you've got your roll left, roll right, forward, reverse, and spin. However, this is a Mode 1 helicopter. It is not a Mode 2 helicopter. A little word on modes. In the US we use Mode 2. That means that your throttle is going to be on the left stick, throttle up and down, and your spin is also going to be on the left stick, spin left and spin right. The right stick is reserved for forward and reverse and roll left and roll right. Now with Mode 1, however, the controls are reversed. So it's kind of like taking your steering wheel and your gas pedal and switching them around. So it hurts your brain a little bit to fly if you've been flying Mode 2. Now Mode 1 is traditionally used in Europe and Australia, but it is not used in the US. Mode 1 means that the left stick has your thrust up and down when you move up and down with it, and left and right controls your roll left and right. Mode 2, which is what we use in the US, up and down controls up and down, and the left stick moving it left and right makes a helicopter spin left and right. Now, considering the fact that I've been flying Mode 2 for about 3 or 4 years, and I've never really flown Mode 1 before, I've only had about 10 flights on this, I'm going to do my best to show you how this aircraft performs. It is a very precise aircraft. It's really fast. It's got good forward and reverse motion. It's got a really precise spin. But like I said, I've never really flown Mode 1. You pretty much decide either Mode 1 or Mode 2 and stick with it. So it kind of hurts my brain a little bit to fly this around, but I'll try and do my best to make it as precise as I can and show you the performance that it can actually give. Now the flight time is going to be about 5 minutes, and the charge time from the transmitter is about 50 minutes. But if you use the included USB charger, the charge time is really only about 20 minutes. So I suggest always use the USB charger. Don't charge off the transmitter and waste your batteries. So let's go ahead and give you a little flight demonstration here. The best one that I can give you. Like I said, I've only had about 5 or 6 flights on Mode 1, so it may be a little twitchy compared to my normal flying, but we'll see what we can do. It does have a trim for the spin, which is pretty precise. You can see the gyro that it has on it does keep it facing pretty stably. Go ahead and get it trimmed out. Okay. See, it actually does roll left and roll right pretty good. as you can see, for a 4-channel, it is pretty precise. Unfortunately, my Mode 1 skills are not as good as my Mode 2 skills, so it's a little shaky in the air, but I think I'm getting the hang of it okay. It is a gyro-stabilized helicopter. It really is fully functional, 4-channel. It's a lot of fun to fly. It's really stable. It's easy to fly. The shipping did take a while on it. It took about 2.5 weeks to get out to me. But for $40, it's a fully functional 4-channel RC helicopter. And I know they're not riding on any famous James Cameron movies with the Avatar name or anything like that. So that's the Avatar Z008 4-channel RC helicopter. Thanks for tuning in to RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer. Tune in for more fun aircraft videos.